Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store on Google Pixel 6a. So let's start with searching for Call of Duty on our Google Play Store. But as you can see, there's no real game. So to fix this, let's go back. Click on your profile picture, move to the settings, reveal the family, then find parental controls, and here we can either disable parental controls entirely or move to apps and games, enter the PIN code, click OK, and here increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now if we go back, try finding Call of Duty again, and it's right here and we can install it, or play it in this case. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.